Previously on Totally Primal.
One of the most awesome meats out there, that is the venison loin.
This is a product that is the cleanest protein you can put in your body. You can trim off a little bit of the residual. On average, there's less than 8 ounces of waste, unusable.
So what are we going to be doing with the actual loin itself?
We're going to make some wonderful kebabs.
There doesn't look like there's a lot of waste here, Tom. And there's a lot of waste that comes off a tenderloin. That is fantastic.
I put together some products here that make up a variety of marinades for wild game.
We got to start combining them in this bowl. Oh, we're going to do it this way.
This product is so pure and clean,
I like it.
Needs no marinade.
Welcome to Totally Primal. I'm David. Today I'm here with Chef Tom again. And previously on the episode, you would have seen us trim up this venison loin right here. Now we're going to show you what we're going to do with it. 2 things we're going to do: bacon wrapped venison fillets, and we're going to make some kebabs. And let's get right into it. Tom, where do we start?
Well, we start at the barrel end here. We're going to get a couple of nice thick fillets.
Beautiful.
Ready for the grill. No marinade necessary, and the perfect accompaniment. We're going to take the venison bacon, wrap it around, secure it with a little toothpick.
Oh, and that bacon's just like the perfect size for that too.
It is perfectly.
It's not falling apart. You know, no. I've had trouble with other bacon where it's been, pumped with a solution. And you try and wrap something and it just falls apart. You got to use like 15 toothpicks. So that actually is very nice, very convenient.
That's ready for the grill.
Wow.
And no muss, no fuss. Maybe a little pat of butter at the end, salt and pepper according to your taste. That's it. You're ready to roll. Quick and easy. You don't want to overcook this venison. You want to cook it to at the most medium is my suggestion.
Sure.
Because it's very lean. And so it's the bacon adds some moisture to it, and the finished product will melt in your mouth.
How many of those do you think we could get out of this?
About 6, 7 of them. 6 or 7 of them, easily. What I'm going to do next, cut some 1-ounce chunks and get them ready to put on the skewers.
Oh, man.
This is one of my favorite ways to cook the product. It's the finished product with the combination of the vegetables and the mushrooms. It just enhances the flavor.
The color that is just coming off that is so amazing.
It is pure, lean, beautiful meat. Venison first, follow it with the mushroom cap.
So, we've got our kebab put together, and he's got 4 1-ounce chunks on there. That's 4 ounces. 4 ounces only of this fantastic meat that we got into a kebab. That looks like a meal right there.
It is a meal, and it's something that is so quick and easy to do. It cooks quickly. You can do it pan-seared. You can do it on the grill. You can do it under a broiler. It needs no help.
All right, now it's time to start cooking the kebabs. What do you got set up for us here, Tom?
Well, you can do it so simply and easily.
Sure.
Salt and pepper is all it really needs. But we're going to take it to another level today. We've got some cherry balsamic vinaigrette. We're going to brush some of that on.
Oh, it smells so good.
This is going to bring all of the vegetable flavors and the meat together, really give it a nice overall flavor. Brush a healthy amount on there.
Yeah.
And we're going to bring them over here to the pan. It's been heating up.
Love that sound. Love it.
Oh, it smells already.
Oh, yep, it's already in the air.
Amazing. A little salt and pepper.
And we're doing this on a flat pan, on a gas stove. Like Tom was saying before, you can do this on the grill. You can pop it under a broiler. So many possibilities for these kebabs. Depending on the weather, it's really cold outside today, so we're doing it in the kitchen.
A couple minutes on each side, and they're ready to fly.
Awesome, yep. And they're easy to serve.
They really are. We'll show you a nice combination.
Oh man, that looks great. And
more.
there they go.
A little more salt and
Now,
pepper.
you're gonna have some salt and pepper now, right on.
Hand-seared venison kebabs. Doesn't get any more primal than that. Little wild rice and grilled venison kebabs with cherry balsamic vinaigrette. Totally primal.
Totally. Kebabs have hit the plate. We got a nice pile of wild rice right in the middle. Can you get more primal than that?
Totally primal.
Totally primal. Game for game day. Feed your instincts. Primal eats. Bacon wrapped, venison bacon wrapped
Fillets.
fillets. I want to say medallions
Well,
again.
medallions will work.
I want. Why that's in my head,
No,
I
that's
don't
fine.
know.
You can call them
All
medallions.
right.
Call them
So-
what you want, brother.
I will call it what I want.